Students, this question was asked in the year 2004 in NEET exam, in IIT exam. I have written wrongly here, NEET. This question is from the chapter Units and Dimensions. Okay, student? A wire has mass 0.3 plus minus 0.003 gram, radius 0.5 plus minus 0.005 gram, length 6 plus minus 0.06 centimeter. The maximum percentage error in measurement of its density is 1, 3, 3 or 4%. Okay, student? It is given, m is given 0.3 gram. Delta m is given 0.003 gram. Okay, student? Then r radius is given, that is 0.5 mm. Delta r is given 0.005 mm. And L length is given 6 centimeter. Delta L is given 0.06 centimeter. Okay, student? Then the question is, what is delta D by D? What is the formula for density, student? Density is m by v. So from error analysis we know, student, the delta D by D percent will be equal to delta m by m percent, or the percentage error in measurement of the physical quantity m, that is mass, and delta v by v percent, that means percentage error in measurement of volume. Okay, student? And let us find out what is delta m by m. Delta m by m percent equal to, student, 0.003 upon 0.03. Okay, student? Then this is into 100. So this becomes 0.003 upon 0.3. Okay, student? Then this becomes into multiplied into 100. This becomes 0.3 by 0.3. So this becomes 1%. Similarly, student, here you see delta r by r. Delta r is 0.005 upon 0.5 into 100. When 100 is multiplied to 0.005, it becomes 0.5 upon 0.5% means 1%. Similarly, here delta L by L, student, what is delta L by L? That is 0.06 upon 6 into 100. So this becomes 6 upon 6%, that means 1%. So the error, maximum possible error in measurement of mass is 1%, maximum possible percentage error in measurement of radius is also 1%, and the maximum possible percentage error in measurement of length is also 1%. All of them have maximum possible percentage error, student, 1%. So, student, what is V velocity? Velocity is, from the geometrical description here, we know radius is given, length is given. This means the wire is that of in the form of cylinder. And what is the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square L, student. So what will be delta V by V percent? Then this will be according to error analysis. If a physical quantity P is in the form of x to the power A, y to the power B, z to the power C, then what happens? Delta P by P percent is equal to, student, A delta x by x percent plus B delta y by y percent plus Z delta C by C percent. So, student, here delta B by B percent will be equal to 2 delta R by R percent plus delta L by L percent. Okay, student, this is 2 into 1% we had earlier obtained, and delta L by L percent is also 1%. So this is 2% plus 1% is equal to 3%. Okay, student? Now delta M by M is equal to 1% we have found, and delta D by D we found, that is 3%. So delta D by D percent will be equal to, student, 4%. So the maximum possible percentage error in the measurement of density is 4%. So option D is correct, students.